How to get cheap flights on Skyscanner. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm simply going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can relatively get cheap flights on the Skyscanner booking application. So you simply want to make sure to stick around till the very end. Now, one of the quickest ways to fly cheap is by simply selecting economy class, right? Because you have economy, you have premium economy, you have business, and you have first class. Or the other way is via applying a coupon code. So basically, if you have a referral code that someone has actually sent you and that you have a coupon code, you can basically go ahead and apply those coupon codes to your flight in order to get some discounts, obviously. And in this case, what you want to do is I'm just going to open the Skyscanner application, and then let's say I want to book a flight, then I'm just going to select the flights option here. Then once I select the specific flight, you can see return route, you can see one way, and then you can also see multi-city. Depending upon where you want to depart and from where you want to depart, you can select those locations, select the date range, and you can also select the specific time and a number of crew members that you want to invite. And of course, you can select economy, whether you want to fly economy or whether you want to fly premium economy. You have business and you also have first class. Depending upon the type of cabin class that you want, just select them over here, because obviously if you want to get the cheapest one, you just have to select economy. That's just basically to go with it. And then just click on the search button. It will show you a list of available flights based on the price range. So you can just select any of these flights that you think is the most cheapest to you, but obviously you can see that these are obviously some of the same price range. You can see best and fastest, so you can just select any of these, or what you could do is you can come back and select the cheapest option here. Once you select the cheapest, it will show you a list of the cheapest flights. Select them, scroll down, select choose a provider, and then you can select your service providers such as you have Trip.com and British Airways. You could also have Expedia and GoToGet, because Skyscanner has 4 providers, right? And then once you select them, you can just go ahead and then open up the specific provider name, and it will take you to a page where you can confirm your payment information and then simply book your flight in that way. This is simply how you can get cheap flights on Skyscanner. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.